you should just see how he flies in rapid fire.
He's not rapid at all.
Already,
He
he
thinks
is-
too much.
But it's true.
It's
It's
true.
true also.
What if you meet Khilji from Padmavat? Sanjay Leela Bhansali watches our interviews. So, yeah.
No, I mean like I'd ask Khilji that.
Which
Or.
one?
Lady in the Band.
Okay. I
This
would.
is the meaning of rapid.
But she didn't answer Ranbir or
It's
Ranbir,
an
and
honest
I gave you an
answer.
answer
It
for like.
depends.
everything.
For what? He
Yeah,
never asked you
everything.
this
He's
script.
right. That's
अरे नहीं
that
क्या
is-
मतलब
that
क्या?
is
You
for
asked
everything.
me a Karan director. I'll answer, but it's I actually think it's a next question.
No problem.
Hi, this is Janvi Kapoor.
Hi, this is Ishan.
And you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Rapid fire with Ishan Khattar. So I think, you should just see how he flies in rapid fire.
Okay.
He is.
He's
like-
not rapid at all.
Already,
He
he
thinks
is-
too much.
No, he doesn't.
Let's
You
go.
just see.
Okay.
You just see. Okay.
Who's starting?
Me.
You're starting. Ishan
I'm
Khattar.
starting.
Yeah, because you've just won.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
You've just won.
We'll give
Okay.
him a head start.
A moment in your life that you would define as Zingat.
I think performing singer.
Your favorite Bollywood actor?
Dilip Kumar.
So safe actually. That's
But it's true.
So
It's
safe.
It's true also.
I'm sure it is, but that's so safe. Complete the following sentence. Beyond the clouds for me was like ...
Most enriching experience as a person.
All right. Working with Janvi is ...
Fun all the time.
I wish I did not ...
I wish I did not goof up this previous quiz.
Okay. All right. So Ishan, we have another segment within Rapid Fire. It is called Ye Ya Wo.
Yeah, wo.
Either or. So you have to choose.
Or.
ठीक है. So you have to choose one. पप्पी या कुत्ते का बच्चा?
Right now, puppy.
Okay. शामक डाबर या प्रभुदेवा?
Prabhudeva.
प्रभुदेवा. All right. जब वी मेट या पद्मावत, शाहिद कपूर's better film, better performance?
Jab we met. Jab we met because of the character. But Padmavat is a very matured performance.
All right. Karan Johar, the producer, या Karan Johar, the director?
Karan Johar, the producer.
All right. Okay. Android या iOS?
iOS.
Okay. Cricket या football?
Football.
Okay. Your favorite Karan Johar film?
I think Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
Okay. What would you do if you meet these filmy characters? Devdas from Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan and
Oh, I
Devdas.
have answers to this.
I'd.
You can give as well. You can.
Send him to rehab, bro.
Yeah. I'd call up Alcoholics Anonymous.
Okay. Bajrangi Bhaijaan. If you meet Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Ooh, take a trip through Kashmir with him.
Okay. Mahavir Phoghat.
Learn wrestling, depending on which phase of his life I've met him in.
Okay. What about Sanju? If you meet Sanju.
The actual Sanjay Dutt or
No, we are talking about
Dutt
filmy
from the
character.
film.
We are talking about filmy character.
What if I met Sanju?
Ranbir Kapoor.
I'd ask him if he's up for a hangout with Sanju Kambli and Ishan.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. All right. What if you meet Khilji from Padmavat?
I think I'd like feast with him.
Yeah.
Really into like me.
Probably not the best idea. Yeah, she would feast with him. I, on the other hand, would ask him where he got the inspiration for Khali Bali, the song in that era. It was like, he's a very forward-thinking man.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali watches our interviews. So, yeah.
No, I mean like I'd ask Khilji that. If
Okay.
I met the character, not the. It's not a film, right? So if
But
you're in
Khali
the
Bali
world
was
of the
his
film.
idea. No, he's done the
No,
composing
but in
part.
the film it's Khilji singing it.
Right, we are kidding as well. All right. Bani from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
I would ask him to spend more time with his father.
Okay, what is the
And then he'd be
message?
like, don't encroach in personal life, bro.
All right, so that is done. What is the message? What is the message that a girl is trying to convey when she says that तू मुझे तारे ठीक से क्यों नहीं देख रहा हो?
In this
Give me
case,
attention.
Right.
yeah. Look at me! Look at me!
Right.
That's what she's trying to say.
Right. Okay, so is it a bit difficult to figure out women or It's not. Like, basically they say something and they mean something
I
else.
don't want to. If I say something, if I say it's not, it is not. I'm gonna
I
get.
think it
like,
depends on. It
depends on the woman.
Right.
It really depends on the woman. Some women can be very
Transparent.
transparent. I think it's not difficult to figure her out. But some women can, and also I think the women can be cryptic in phases. So like, at times she's very easy to figure out. At times it's just like.
Okay, so that's basically mystery. Mystery is something that they like to have mystery around them. Okay, if you are stuck on an island with KRK and Dhinchak Pooja,
Oh, dream!
KRK and Dhinchak Pooja.
हाँ जी,
Oh, dream.
What is the rest?
How do you deal with it?
How would I deal with it?
Yeah.
I think I'd be the quietest person on that island. No conversation, just listening.
I think I'd want to
Just
dance
learn
to
it.
Chingat with like. I'd make like a film on
Wait
that
for yours,
island.
na? Yours is coming.
It's fine.
आपको मेरे बारे में ज़्यादा मजा आने वाला है, मैं बता रही हूँ.
बिल्कुल, definitely. I think it is fine as well. You can have your inputs as well. We
एक और
don't
है
mind.
स्पीकर या खाली डब्बा.
पूरा के पूरे 22 है मुझे बताया गया था. 22 रखे हुए बाहर हमने ट्रक में रखे हुए हैं. Okay, so you didn't say anything.
I said that I would just sit quietly and let them do
Listen.
whatever came to their.
And she'll dance with them.
No, I'd make
do
I'd
Chingat
make a
with-
film with the three of us.
Great.
Yeah, on an island.
Yeah.
Okay, describe Janvi in just 3 words. Ishan Khatta.
Beautiful, sensitive, and hilarious.
Beautiful, sensitive, and hilarious. That's wonderful actually. Okay, now we
You
move on to
don't
Janvi
think.
Kapoor.
Okay, never mind.
You know, I just see the confidence.
3 words यार. अभी 17 और बोल सकता हूँ मैं.
It's fine.
बोलूँ?
नहीं. Snooze, you
she's
lose.
telling me not to actually. She's giving me those.
You snooze, you lose.
Yeah, you snooze.
देखिए
Okay, now you see the confidence.
Now let me show you how.
See the how it is done. Rapid fire with Janvi Kapoor. Okay, your Zingat moment in life, Janvi Kapoor.
When we started shooting for Dhadak.
Who's your style icon?
My mom, Grace Kelly, Audrey Hepburn, and everyone. I take style inspiration from everyone, historical figures even.
If not an actress, what would you like to be?
I like to travel and I like to write.
See. Okay.
This is the meaning of rapid. Yes.
Okay. If you can complete the following statements, I would love to do a film with ...
With everyone. Another film with Shashank and another film with Ishan for sure.
When I first met Ishan, I thought he is ...
Full of energy in life.
When I first watched Sairat, I ...
Couldn't speak for the longest time.
Alright, ये या वो, so you already know what it is. कुछ होता है या कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Comedy films or romantic films?
Both, can't choose. A romantic film that has comedy in it as well.
Facebook or Instagram?
Instagram.
Varun या Siddharth?
Varun.
Ranveer या Ranveer?
Can't pick. Depends on the film and the performance.
Okay, Marvel या DC?
I don't really care.
पहली बार या Zingat?
Jhingat.
This is epic.
But she didn't answer Ranveer.
It's an
and I
honest
gave you an
answer.
answer
It
for like.
depends.
everything.
For what? He never asked you
everything.
this
He's
script.
right. That
अरे नहीं,
that
क्या?
is-
मतलब
that
क्या?
is- That is.
I gave you an answer for
Honest
everything. I
जवाब
gave you for like
Everything.
favorite acting inspiration.
Correct.
Karan Johar, producer or director. I gave you for
You asked me
everything.
a Karan Johar director. I'll answer. But if you're, no, if you're giving me movie performances,
say na,
I'll
if you
pick
ask me
movie
that question.
performances. So you ask me movie performances, I'll pick between them.
That's convincing reasoning as well.
Ask,
but I think
ask, say.
I still
say,
say
okay,
that.
Bajirao Mastani
I
or
still would
Sanju.
say. Yeah, I would still say that that I think he has a
Say
point.
na, Bajirao Mastani or Sanju? As a performance.
Pick a
As a
scene
lead
and
performance.
I'll
Pick a scene and tell
He
me.
has a point.
सही है.
I think he has a point.
सही है.
I actually think it's a. No, next question.
No problem. Your favorite web series so far?
It's a tie between Bates Motel and House of Cards.
Okay, what would you do if you meet the following filmy characters? Mr. India.
I'd ask for his red glasses.
Okay, Rancho from 3 Idiots.
I'd pull his cheeks.
Okay, Kamlesh from Sanju.
Oh my god, I'd beg him to be my best friend forever.
Okay, Kabir Khan from Chak De India.
I'd be scared.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
I don't know why, I feel like I want him to try South Indian food.
Please.
I'd be scared is feeling something, not doing something. You have to do something.
I'd run. I'd pretend to love hockey.
ठीक है, but just bring into it.
Okay, Khilji from Padmavat.
I'd have a feast with him. Lots of Rogan Josh, Lalma, oh yum, yeah, fully. He'd
I don't
enjoy
think
it.
he was eating cooked food in that film.
No, but
It was like
I'd
roasted and all.
no, but I'd like
Roasted and all that.
But
Listen to it.
I'd open him up to like the
Lalma, so the-
yeah, just like how good cooked food can be,
Kebabs.
and then he'd fall in love with me too. I feel because I would bring such lovely things into his life with these delicacies.
Khilji has fans. All right, one major difference between Sairat and Dhadak.
The setting,
Your favorite food?
Wagyu,
Your favorite holiday destination?
Florence, Udaipur. Holiday.
If you can describe working with Ishan in just 3 words.
Inspiring, energizing, satisfying.
Good.
In fact, we gave these questions to them beforehand, so that they're
This
so
is
prepared.
not true at
Not
all.
true.
What does a boy mean when he says मुझे puppy चाहिए? I'll give you options. कुत्ते का छोटा बच्चा, sweet innocent kiss, all of the above.
Sweet innocent, not sweet innocent kiss also. Just he's getting free in life.
He's getting free in life.
Over free.
Yeah, excited. जज्बाती हो रहा है बंदा.
So this it's not here actually. So this option is
Yeah.
that you have. Okay, that's great. Okay, all right. Which English song should a boy sing to win over your heart?
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Like Heath Ledger did in 10 Things I Hate About You.
This is like amazing, man. It seems I had given her all these questions beforehand, and she had rattled them properly, the answers and everything, which is amazing. Which I had not obviously,
Amazing.
but this is amazing actually.
फिल्म के बाद भी I hope यही reaction होगा.
No, I'm sure. But I think Pisceans they can surprise. It seems that they may not, but they tend to do that.
Hi, this is Janvi Kapoor.
Hi, this is Ishan.
And you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
She said it.